We're at Cogden Beach, one of our favourite places we've visited with Nookie Bear. West Bay is that way. We normally walk to there, but it's starting to get dark. We're in Abbotsbury. We overnighted on the car park here. I think it's £8 something for 24 hours. We've just done Nooks Ashes here. Because last time we were here, I turned the camera off and then Nookie decided he was going to dive in here after the swans. And he was drenched. Bloody nutter. Looks like there's a little cafe there by the tithe barn. Gorgeous building. And high up on the hill there is the chapel we walked to last time. It is steep getting up there, but it's doable. And here's the remains of some of the abbey, which I can't remember anything about, apart from it had something to do with King Canute, I think. Yeah, not a fat lot of it left. Just been in the cafe and a yummy brownie and scone, ain't we?
Yep.
Yeah, he said very nice, but I've got the microphone because it's windy. Mooching round the graveyard before we head to Portland. It is nice at Abbotsbury. Worth a visit, definitely. And the food in the cafe was yum yum. And there's the church there. It is open, but we're not going in today. But we will come back again another time. Come out for a walk now. We're parked up by the lighthouse. It's bloody windy and it has been cold. The heating was coming on all night last night when we were in Abbotsbury. And there's the gorgeous lighthouse there, Portland Bill Lighthouse. We're not overnighting here. Wouldn't want to if we could. There's all big tracks everywhere, like bar racer dickheads have been here. But it is a lovely place. I do love a lighthouse. Way. Nearly getting blown away. Don't know if you can hear how bad the wind is. They've put this fencing up and rope to protect the common here and the grassland, which I think is a good idea. Don't know if you can hear how bad the wind is, but I'll show you how choppy the sea is. it's a lot less windy over here. Obviously this isn't a natural environment as such. Obviously the rock's natural, but a lot of the shape is going to be man-made from the quarrying. Waves are still huge. Ooh, God, the wind just picked up and blew me again. We've done a circle. We're heading back towards the car park again. Building on the left is like a military or naval research centre or something. That's why Carl couldn't fly the drone round there when he flew the drone when we first came here. So it stopped him flying it round there. We're going to walk past here along the coastal path onto the grassy bit. Well, it's more like a proper coastal path. Do Nooks ashes there, hopefully, if we don't get blown away before then. Just spotted this, but I don't know how well you can see it. It says it's a British Mark 17 contact sea mine, and the design dates from the Second World War. This type of anti-shipping mine could be laid up to 500 fathoms deep, over 900 metres, with up to 500 pounds, 226 kilograms of explosives. It can be described as the standard British contact mine of the Second World War. There you go. And it is huge. Found our spot to do Nookie Monster. We're going to get him done. Then we're going to move on. We've done him at nearly 50 places now. Mad or what? How's your sarnie, Uggs?
Okay.
Oh. Yeah, food in his gob as usual. That chutney we got from the cafe is yummy though, isn't it? Very nice indeed. Chili tomato. Or tomato chili, however you want to say it. Because we've had cheese and chili tomato sandwiches, haven't we?
Twice.
Yeah, because we enjoyed it that much. We've had some again. And we parked up at New Ground car park, which apparently they reckon you can't overnight anymore. But we ain't seen any signs, have we?
There's a lot of vans here.
Yeah, there is a lot of vans here.
Bit tight to get in because of the boulders, but it's easy enough.
Yeah. But it ain't a bad view, is it? There's our view out the front. Chesil Beach. I mean, I would go out and show you, but it's so bloody windy, I ain't. Last time we were here, Carl done a bloody night drone flight. No chance. And we've only got a couple of hours till dark now, ain't we?
Yep.
So I'm going to try and get out and do a bit more walking. Yeah, have a cuppa first. Try and get a bit of editing done, because I'm so far behind on my videos.
And me.
Oh yeah, yeah. What, your shorts, what you just bung on?
Aye. They're good shorts to do well.
Yeah, 1 million views on TikTok.
Oh, 2.5 million.
Yeah, and then it got removed.
It's on 1.5
Then
now.
you put it on again. It's on 1.5 now.
Yeah.
Ugh, mental, absolutely mental.
Quality.
Yeah.
Quality editing.
Yeah. Weren't any editing, it was dash cam footage.
Yeah.
Carl's over there. There's a man. He's trying to strap his stuff down. It's been the windiest night we've ever had. I mean, we are perched up on a cliff edge, I suppose, to be fair. And it looks like he's got something wrong with his one arm. He can't use it very well. And he's been trying to do his bike, and Carl's been watching him, and he went, I'm going to have to go and help him. That's his good deed for the day. Carl's waiting for me, making our way to the memorial to do Nooks ashes again. We're at the memorial. What a lovely spot it is in. And there's another little memorial lower down. And we're going to do Nook's ashes there, overlooking the bay. You've got this memorial here, which is in remembrance of the 13 who died as a result of a high test peroxide experimental torpedo explosion on board the submarine HMS Sidon on the 16th of June 1955. And then just beyond the memorial is a bench that Mr. B sat on, and we sat there with Nookie overlooking Chesil Bay. And what a gorgeous view to just sit and watch and think and remember.